Hey everyone, welcome to our channel How to Make Money Top 10 Videos, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks for social media success. Today, we're going to be discussing how to get more likes on your Instagram photos. Whether you're an influencer or a business owner, having a high engagement rate on your posts is crucial for growing your following and increasing your reach. So, let's get started with our top 10 tips. Number 10. Post when Instagram users engage the most. Instagram users are most likely to like and comment on posts at certain times of the day. If you create posts at peak engagement times, you're likely to get more engagement. The best times to post on Instagram for maximum engagement are weekdays, from mid-mornings to early afternoons. Instead of sharing your best content when fewer people will take notice, try posting at these peak Instagram engagement times. Mondays, around 12 p.m. Tuesdays, between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m., with peak engagement at 9 a.m. Wednesdays, posts created around 11 a.m. on a Wednesday get more engagement than any other day and time of the week. Thursdays, between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m., with 12 p.m. being the peak. Fridays, engagement is consistent between 7 a.m. and 2 p.m. Saturdays, bright and early at 9 a.m. is the best time to post. Sundays, engagement is consistent between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., with 7 p.m. being the peak. Number 9. Use hashtags to attract new followers. Trending and relevant hashtags help people find your posts. When you add a hashtag to your post caption, your post will be added to the page for that hashtag, making it easier for people to stumble upon. Always use 3 to 5 relevant and/or trending hashtags in every post so people searching for or following their favorite hashtags will find your content. Check out accounts similar to yours to see which hashtags they are using. Explore those hashtags and see if your content would be a good fit. If so, add those hashtags to your repertoire. Niche hashtags work better than general hashtags. For example, if you're a beauty influencer, your posts could get lost in the hashtag beauty hashtag. Try more creative tags like hashtag clean beauty, hashtag fall beauty, hashtag makeup addict, hashtag natural hair, or hashtag skincare tips instead. Number 8. Write compelling captions. When you create a new post, treat the caption field with as much attention as you do the photo or video you're sharing. Ask your followers questions, tell a quick story, or provide some fun facts to get the conversation flowing. If someone lingers on your post to read your words, they'll be more likely to give you a like, and possibly even a comment. If been writing long captions and not raking in the likes, try dialing the caption length back a bit. Short, witty, and sweet might go over better with some audiences. Number 7. Share your Instagram posts on other platforms. Make sure your Facebook, Twitter, and blog followers aren't missing your Instagram posts. You can embed your Instagram posts on your blog or website to give people another way to check out your photos, or just share your posts to other social media platforms. This gives everyone who follows you on social media a chance to like and comment on your Instagram content. Number 6. Cater to your target audience. Create content that your followers want to see. Whether you're running an Instagram account for your business, niche interests, or just for your friends, think about the content that brought your followers to you in the first place, and continue to improve on that content. Don't be repetitive, but don't stray too far from the content that your followers have responded well to in the past. Check your past posts and see which ones garnered the most likes, and share more content like that. Number 5. Perfect your aesthetic. Create beautiful or unique photo and video posts that people want to look at. You don't have to have the world's greatest camera to take awesome photos, but you'll definitely want to edit photos that are dark, grainy, or improperly centered before posting them. Take a look at your profile and see how your posts look together on the grid. Do they look good together? Consider sticking to a color scheme or photographic technique to keep your brand consistent and aesthetically pleasing. Use creative Instagram filters to make your photos stand out. Try to stick to the same 1 or 2 filters for all of your posts to keep things consistent. In addition to, or instead of, using Instagram filters, use other photo editing apps like Photoshop Express and Canva to make your photos picture perfect before posting. Number 4. Share content when your followers are most active. Peak engagement times on Instagram are only one part of the puzzle. Depending on your niche, location, and content, your followers might be on a different schedule. If you have a creator or business profile, you can use your Insights panel to find out when your followers use Instagram most. Just tap Insights on your profile and select the Audience tab to find out the best time to share new content with your unique followers. Number 3. Work the latest trends into your posts. How can your latest post idea incorporate a current trend? Is there a certain song lyric or catchphrase that's running wild in your community? Find a way to incorporate the latest topics into your posts to show your followers that you're both relatable and hip to current events. Number 2. Post consistently, but don't flood the feed. While it's important to post content regularly, don't post too much. Posting only once a day is a great way to satiate your followers without overwhelming them. If you make too many posts, or post too many similar things in a short period of time, your followers will be less likely to shower you in the likes you deserve. If you have a ton of photos you want to share, create carousel posts instead of posting them one by one. Carousel posts are extremely popular right now, sometimes called photo dumps, and are a great way to share lots of cool photos without overwhelming your followers. Number 1. Be relatable. People like content about people. Whether you have a business or personal account, telling relatable stories with your posts and captions helps people feel closer to you. For example, while posting a photo of a meal you prepared may yield a few likes because it looks delicious, you'll get even more likes if you include a memory about the last time you prepared it, a kitchen mistake you've made, or your history with a particular ingredient. And there you have it, our top 10 tips for getting more likes on your Instagram photos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel How to Make Money Top 10 Videos for more social media tips and tricks.